Hi, so I'm about to fix the insulation onto the roof, and I thought I'd show you a bit about how I'm intending to do that. So I've got kind of a bit of the materials that I've used to construct the roof, just to give you a bit of an idea of what's going on. This isn't the actual insulation, but it's very similar in thickness. So we've got these. This is obviously the actual insulation here that's going to go on the roof, which you'll see in a moment. And what I've done is we've got obviously the joists here screwed just the 11mm OSB onto the top, which is what we have done already. Then we've got this, which is actually 100mm insulation, so that is 110 and has actually the fall built into the insulation itself. So it's a Kingspan product. They were very helpful in helping me get that sorted out. So get in contact with them if you're interested in that kind of stuff. So it means that I don't have to have furring strips. It means that I don't have to put a raked wall in to get the slope. The slope's all built into the insulation. But enough of that. So what we've got is, this is kind of the sandwich that we're going to get. And the way that we're going to fix it is we're going to use these telescopic fixings. So I got these from Rubber for Roofs, and what it is just a little plastic kind of, I guess, collar, which goes down through the wood into the insulation, and then there's a screw which goes down and affixes into the substrates below. So you want to be aiming for a joist. So yeah, to actually, the process is going to be, going to drill a hole into the sheet that's on top. So there we go. We've got the that through there now. And obviously on the roof this will all be fixed down, but just for the sake of stability. So then this will go into the insulation, like so. So it just presses in, no need to really drill. And then I've got a long impact driver tool, which fits in the screws. So then what we'll do is, I've got most of the joists marked already. Got chalk lines, I can follow the nails anyway. But this will go down into the joist and fix the whole lot together. So as you can see, you've got that sandwich there. You've just got this relatively smooth fixing on the top. And the benefit of these, as opposed to maybe some of the metal, you can get metal plate, so you don't need to drill the hole. The benefit of these is you get it breaks the thermal bridge between the joist here and the top surface, because you've got that plastic there which acts as an insulator. So this allows you to get better thermal performance. It's pretty strong, and then so that should be pretty simple. So that's how I'm going to fix the insulation to the roof itself. The other thing that we'll have, which I've not shown here, is actually between the OSB, there's kind of substructure there. There will be a layer of air guard. So what this is actually completely waterproof, so it doesn't let vapor through at all. So it's a vapor barrier, as opposed to a vapor control layer, which is what we've got on the outside. So this stops vapor that is in the building getting up into the roof and finding a cold place to condense and then form water. So you need a vapor control layer on the roof, so underneath the insulation, so that a moisture can't get into the insulation at all. So we'll lay that out, as opposed to the vapor control layer, which is on the outside of the building, which actually allows vapor out of the walls, but stops water being able to come in.